Hello everyone, this is Bijon. Welcome back to Quadro 143. Today I'm going to show you this vector art in Procreate. Step by step process from sketch to this final painting. So stay tuned and check it out how I am going to draw this painting. So you will get to see this vector art format from sketch to this final painting. If you can check this, there is two layers from the sketch, this sketch to this final painting. So let's get started. So I have roughly sketches this bar. Let me do it first. So first I'm going to use the black color and make sure you don't need to use, please remember these things, don't need to use color on the same layer, because a sketch is a different layer and you have to draw create another layer above the sketch, and after that you have to create it with this step by step. So I'm going to draw the outline above the drawing, like a sketch which I have already make it roughly, and you have to use the black color, just outline you have to draw complete outline, don't need to do the middle things, you have to draw just outline of this bird. Okay, let me do it first so you can check properly and the videos will be little bit shorter. So let me do it the out layer so you can check it out step by step. So I have already used the black color on the single layer, so I'm going to use a different color. So I'm going to use another layer, okay, and use that this color, and I'm going to down that number layer 4 to underneath that black color layer. So I'm going to use this color first. I'm going to use this portion properly, just outline and fill it up, because it's a vector art format. You don't need to do it realistic way. You have to just outline of the color, like which color, whatever color you are going to use it, you have to use that color and make it just outline and filled it. That's it, nothing else. This is the easiest way to draw anything, any portrait, any objects, whatever you are going to draw, you can draw it in vector format. Do let me know what you are going to draw and share with me which things you are drawing, and do let me know so I can check it out, and please mention my channel name so I can check it properly. Okay, so let me if you can check, I have just drawn the outline and I have to just drag the color into that a layer, into this color things. So you have to just outline as I'm doing, check it out. So when it's done, I have to just drag this color to this portion. So you will check now, see I have just filled it up. This is the easiest way. So like that way I'm going to do it one by one, like a color, same color. If you want to use the in same layer the whole painting, you can do it, but I would like to create a different layer. That's the easiest way for me. Also, if you want to create in one layer, you can do it. There is no mention that you have to create a different layer, or you can, if you want, you can do it in same layer. So see, I have using another color on the same layer, not the different layer. I'll use the different layer, that's not a problem, that's not a big deal. So I'm using a different color, darker green. So color, it's not necessary that you have to use this same color, you can use by your own. If it's if the painting looks good, then it's totally visualized how you can see your drawing. So if you can check, I have just outlined the first with the color, which color, whatever color I'm using. So I have to fill it up, that's it. So I'm going to do it quickly, let me show you. So I have filled up all with the colors. Now I'm going to use the studio pen with the different layer view. As I told you, that's not mandatory that you are going to use the same layer. I'm going to use the different layer. See, as I'm telling you, I told you like on that my previous painting as well, when you are going to draw a tree branch, best way you can use the studio pen from the inking. Okay, so like I'm using this color. Just see like the things I'm drawing, the tree branch. So a few things I missed out. I'm going to fill up. See the layer which I already used, and this is the one color I have missed out at the beginning. I'm going to fill it up, this one. Let me fill first. Okay, so this thing's already done. Okay, now I'm going to draw a background color because it's look nice, but if if I'm going to draw anything background, so it looks more nice, like it will look too good. So let me do it the background. So for background you have to create another layer. Where you have to create above the sketch, the main sketch where you have the beginning time which you have already drawn, which I already a sketch. Above the sketch you have to draw, because everything is in backside for the backward color. So like I missed it out something, so I have to just make it clear. So see, I'm going to use the black color, whatever color you are going to use. Suppose you are using a different color in bird section, so like you can use a different color in the background. I'm using the black color, which is looks visible properly. So that's the easiest way for me to draw like that. If you want to draw any another way, you can draw it. That's not a problem, that's not a big deal as well. So I'm going to use this color first. This portion, it should be white, so I'm going to make it first. This portion I'll make it in white color, because I'm using the black color. If it's black, then it's the things will not look good. So let me do it this portion only, because I missed it out, this one. Just going to just outline this with the white color. Just drag down the color. See, now it's look good. Okay, so white colors, it's more white I'm going to use. That was not proper white. Okay, so now it's if you can check, the half portion black on the right side I have used. I'm going to use a different color with a different layer, not this layer. I'm going to use another layer above the sketch. This color a little bit lighter, because I'm going to use airbrushing with a shadow, so you can check properly. No, I think this color is good. Now I'm going to use the airbrushing soft brush, make it like a little bit higher, 50 to 60%. Just tap it here, so you can check like it's the lower portion is reddish. I hope you can check, not the top portion, because the lower portion I need to be little bit darker, and top portion I'm going to use this like a light yellow. Now it's, if you can check properly, that it looks nice. So on the layer 6 where I have created the tree branch, same things I'm going to use the studio pen, and this time I'm not going to use another color. I'm going to use the black color. See, I told you how it's easiest way to draw a tree branch. I'm going to draw like a 2 to 3 tree branch, not so much, which this painting will look good. I think it's look good now. Okay, now I'm going to use this portion. It's a little bit wide because it's a vector art format. You have to draw it like in vector art. Anything you can draw in vector art, either it's portrait, it's anything else, it's any object you can draw like a vector format. So I think I have done with this painting, and I hope it's look good. Please do let me know how is it, and share with your drawing, how you are going to draw it, and please give me a feedback if you learn something from this painting. Thank you so much.